What's up everyone, how is it going? Thanks for tuning in. Today we are continuing with the Epic MegaJam game. So if you don't know, we are making a game in 7 days. It's part of a challenge of a game jam organized by Epic Games, and I am working on a team with 5 people. If you haven't seen, we have been putting a lot of videos and live stream to the past 3 days, so you can check them out. And you know, let's go ahead and just get started. So of course we have a repository on GitHub. So let me go ahead and just get all of the new changes. Also, Random, the environment artist, has made, as you can see, a quick level to kind of showcase a bit how the scale of the character will be with some models you can see. So everything will be times 4 the size. You can see the door, the walls, kind of the kitchen props. Really cool. So now we can go here, it will attack, and you can see that we will continue to do so. That's cool. Okay, I yeah. Oh, do you see how my enemy is obliterated me? So this will be the save game, BP save game. Okay, so on here the last checkpoint, so the last checkpoint. This is the menu, new game. I'm gonna go. Okay, so it crashed, so let me go back to my menu. So why this has happened? Because if I go now to checkpoint, as you can see at the end, save game is broken. Okay, that's why. Okay, new game. There we go, didn't crash. So say again, let's go to the second one. If I now go to the main menu, press continue. There we go, we're back in the checkpoint, and the enemy also in this point. Oh my god, that was crazy. It is very straightforward, it's very simple, but because of reference, because first of all I was trying to save an object reference, and then I got errors, and I found that you actually couldn't save object references in Unreal Engine. So I was like, okay, then change it. We got broken references from the player to the game mode. We fixed that, we changed it to transform, and then finally we got a crash, but it was because I forgot to change the reference from the save game instead of the players, now from the game mode. But now we have it. Is it the key? I don't know what. Oh, it's kind of good, but it's too floppy still, right? Like it looks really cool, but I like it how it looked before. It's really cool. And when Ryan gives the footsteps, it will sound super cool. Go back to the Smash. Yes, I'm using the latest version 5.3. So cool stuff. Now it will rotate. Let's make it so it will rotate a bit slower, so I pass through it. I can go through this. I will disable. So play a new key. That's cool. Game Jam submission last year, I went crazy and added textures, high, low, medium, post-processing, high, low, medium, all that stuff. Now I'm gonna make it simple because, look, our game is nothing crazy. It will be a simple level, you know. So, you know, we're gonna go and just put different options. So it'll be high, medium, and then low. And that will be for, in general, the whole kind of textures and stuff. So let me rename this. This bit like this. There we go. And create a new widget, which will be the options menu. And then it will be all of these buttons. So it'll be the back button, hovered, high button, hovered. Wow, This does really improve the main experience. Pause. Edit sound. Press. Change the quality level. I think that we should separate a bit all this. So let's select this. Okay. Really like the aesthetic and everything. As soon as we get the owner character, and then we get the footstep sounds, and oh, did he kill me 2 times? So instead of doing a delay, get is dead. Now, in theory, you can see that he continued to do the animation, but he didn't kill me again. See, he goes and attacks again, but now it doesn't reset. That's why you have to play test. I think that today we advanced so much. I'm very happy. Every day we're advancing so much, and you know, very cool stuff. I love when the AI gets you, bam, smacks you in the face. So that's good.